more of 5B. We are on page 11, talking about the slope-intercept form again. And we are actually going to plot some graphs now using the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. It's real easy, fun, quick. I think you'll find this really, really easy. So basically, here are the steps. We're going to write the equation well, it's already in slope-intercept form, but we're going to write the slope in fraction form. So in other words, if you have an integer, or if you have a whole number as a slope, you need to write it as a fraction because, of course, this represents rise over run. Then we're going to identify where the y-intercept is. In example A, it's -3. Don't forget the negative sign. Then we're going to start our plotting. So we're going to start at the y-intercept. So we're going to start where the graph crosses the y-axis, which is -1, 2, 3, right here. And we're going to rise and run 2 over 1. Now, we need to identify whether our slope is negative or positive because our line is either going to start high down here and rise up or start low and rise up, or it's going to start high and fall. And that is dependent on whether the slope is positive or negative. Our slope is positive so that we know when we start here and we rise up 2 and run 1, we're going to go this way because we need to start low and go high from left to right. So we'll keep going. Rise up 2, run 1, rise up 2, run 1, and we continue in this manner until we either run out of real estate or until we're satisfied that we have a decent graph and we can connect it with a straight edge, which you know I can't do. Okay, and then we can put arrows because he does go on forever in this same pattern. Let's look at example B. We need y-intercept. I don't see one here. We add a +0. Our y-intercept is 0. This guy starts at 0, 0, the origin. So our slope is negative this time, -3 over 4. So we're going to, when we rise over run, we're going to keep that in mind. I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to rise up 3, 1, 2, 3. But now I'm going to run to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that now my line is falling from left to right. Rise up 3, 1, 2, 3, run, 1, 2, 3, and I'm out here somewhere. And we could do another couple points. We could go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and run 4, 2, 3, 4 to get another point that's in our grid. Then connect the lines, get your straight line, and these are graphs of the equation that we started with. So we've got an equation, we've got its slope, its y-intercept, and its graph. All kinds of information about this equation. A couple more. So again, we need a slope. We need to think of this as y is equal to 0, x minus 4. So the slope is 0. We're not rising, we're not running, we're not doing much of anything. Well, we are running, we're just not rising up. And the b, the y-intercept, is -4. So we go to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And since we aren't rising or running, all we're doing, well, we aren't rising or falling, all we're doing is running. So this is a perfectly horizontal line, which you should have recognized from our early in this unit where we said any horizontal line has a slope of 0. So you should be expecting when the slope is 0 to get a horizontal line, and we did. M on this one is -1, the ghostly -1, and it's over 1 to write it as a fraction. Y-intercept, +2. So we go up 2, that's where we're starting. We have a negative slope, so we want to fall from left to right. So we're going to rise up 1 and run to the left. Up and over, up and over, up and over. And if you wanted to put a few points in the first quadrant, down and over, down and over. And there's our equation of the line, or graph of the line. Okay, I think I'll stop here. This will be a little bit shorter video, and then I'll pick back up on the next page on the next video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.